We're sharing secrets one at a time. Them two went. I'm next, but so if you can hear mine, but if you hear mine, you have to say yours next.
This shit creepy.
Liquid gold.
Nah. Ooh, a little stash it on the way back.
Yeah.
Yo, that'd be fucking baller if like we like pull a bird back and she's like, yo, you got anything to drink? We're fucking right before we get. Yeah, I got something for you right here. Wham. Okay. It's Friday the 13th tonight. Oh, I know a good ass club over at the Crystal Lake. Here, come, let's go check it out. Call it the Cabin. Cabin in the woods.
Like fucking Mike's friend, you gotta go fuck in the water.
yeah. If you ain't fucking in the water, you ain't fucking right.
I was like, what are you doing, man? Why aren't you fucking in the lake?
yeah, man. That sounds like you can hear.
No,
this must be the other. Yeah, we're on the other end of it. Okay. Excuse us.
That's the alleyway we just have. So let's go. Yeah, thank you.
I'll get one drink here, but the spot across looks alright. Get you hooked on that now? Yeah. I don't know this dimension though. Oh yeah. Oh, that's cheating though. He's standing on the shelf. If you were watching me, I didn't know it too well.
I was totally watching you and you're very good.
If you messed up, that means we both did. So we're over it. What'd you get this at? Trying to check this out?
There was a plate there. That's a fucking bit too.
So I can go for a quick nap.
Towards another base and probably pull out.
I'll try to find a homeless guy. So we get that's good.
He's trying to find a hotel.
There he is. Hey man, you homeless? No. Oh well, get the fuck away from me. You don't got the intel I need. They keep one ear on the ground. Yeah, no. Yeah, that street we almost went down that one time, James, going down, you're like, what? I said, nah, that street don't go all the way down. You're like, what, you scared? I'm like, no, James, it goes into a parking lot. Why would it go?
Scared.
You scared of the parking lot, huh?
You're a little scared back there.
You're scared to find out how much to pay for parking in there.
They don't let me out afterwards. That Rich was standing and they're about to chop his head off. And we're going to Coles and it made us just drove us down like a pedestrian walkway to try to get there and made it turn around. Oh, I should have seen on the company card when you did see.
Oh yeah, that shit almost fucking almost guillotined your ass. You probably got a haircut or at least a clean shave that day.
Clean shave off my tits.
They didn't make a rule like you can't be playing music if you're not open, and you could have paid $200.
Fucking right, man.
Oh, there we go. That guy's got your intel on the vape.
Yeah.
It's either that spot or the spot in between it, because there's security in that alley where that door's open.
Yeah, what's that?
Remember we went downstairs there and we heard that music playing that one night? I think that's the entrance. You can see where the security is. He's checking IDs. I think that's where that's coming from.
Where that gas station is?
Don't run it. Don't fucking wait for the cars to come and then run. Look at that light turn yellow.
But you don't fuck around.
Yeah, look, you saved 3 seconds. And you're not even buying the vape, so you gotta get in there first for no reason. See, again, they're blasting some pretty good music, but it don't look like they open. Like they gotta enforce this rule I just made up.
Yeah, I remember seeing this when we were walking back to it. I thought it was cool.
Yeah. Oh, at the Pink Moon right here, I was talking to the bartender. They got a DJ in there tonight.
What else do they have? The corn steak?
They got a restroom, they got running water, and they got
They got running water. They got a bathroom in there.
Now that's the right spot.
This sounds like some racist shit right here. Bro.
In my way.
Stop running. God damn it, I'm not a tribal.
In my way.
This is what makes me run.
He needs your help in there. He needs your help. James, what are you doing? I'm in the restroom, James. Where are you at? James, I'm in the restroom. Where are you? I gotta do that to take a piss though. Yeah, he would have said something if we were walking off without paying.
5 minutes, you fucking
I don't want to play. I don't want to play.
Yo, you know how baller that'd be if you just started killing it though. Which you would.
I'm not the best piano player either.
You're better than anyone in here though. Yeah, I do YouTube vlogging. He's the musician in the group. I'm the dancer in the group. He's the DJ in the group. Yeah. Fucking that. He's the guy who's getting us into trouble, and so he's the most important. They got the big girls up there. They're in the stable. That's some pride, Dave. Don't blame it on me. So we're about to leave, but this is my #1 karaoke song. Dude, look how much. Nah, fuck that. Yeah, let's go. Don't blame it on me. Blame it on me. Fucking ambulance outside. Let's get a picture. Better this time.
Oh shit,
Is there actually? Yo, I didn't even know that was right there. That's why you hit the killer moonwalks on that shit. Damn.
I'm not one to stare at you.
Yeah,
Why
let's
are you
roll.
walking in it, Richie?
Yeah, why are you walking? What's going on, man? I like 5th time in here this week.
How much do you spend on the camera?
It's like 300 or 400. It's pretty expensive.
From where did you get this? I mean,
I got it. It's on their website. It's called Insta360, so it's a magnet. So it sticks on anything metal.
the body camera on?
Yeah. I got it before I go missing. Yeah. It's pretty cool. It sticks to anything metal. Yeah, oh, that's not metal, I guess, but yeah. Yeah, made me look bad. God damn it. Yeah, it's cool. I like it because I like darts, and they got quite a few dart shits in there. Oh, they got an actual shuffleboard up here, though. Oh, they got something on the brick wall. Music video or some shit.
We'll take you back to Florida.
Yeah. That's a shaggin' wagon? Oh, goddamn shaggin' wagon. Dude, no The fucking shaggin' wagon.
He's a fucking sobro.
Yeah, you wanted to come in here. Yeah, fucking yeah. There's shit stains all over. So,
It's alright, the scene this is a real thing.
it is a real thing. So we're sharing secrets one at a time. Them two went. I'm next, but so if you can hear mine, but if you hear mine, you have to say yours next.
This shit creepy. Also, someone's like shit that pants everywhere.
Yeah, that's what let's pose for this camera, and then we'll tell the guy to screenshot it and send it to us. We'll pose all smiling into that.
Y'all wiped their ass on the seat before we left.
Yeah, I'm moving around too much on this dirty ass seat. Are we done in here? Or y'all trying to hang out? Oh, y'all trying to hang out some more? 5 minutes. We've been in here for like 5 minutes.
What are you trying to make us feel like abducted?
No, but I keep moving around and shit, and look at what I'm sitting on. You're trying to get me to get like Stockholm syndrome, like bond with my captor. No, stay a little longer. No, man. Trust me, this twine feels good on your wrist. You don't know if you don't try.
That's racist.
It looks like one of those things like if you won first place, you stand on it and you get hold your medal and you take your photo right here.
I mean, this is real clean. That's probably what you blow off.
Yeah, bucket time, baby. Play one-handed. That's how we do it in South Australia, baby. Fucking right. Fucking right. That's whiskey. Yo. Don't walk off and don't tap it. Don't walk off and don't tap it. Yeah. Now turn around, let me tap it. It's not cool when you're not ready, is it? Wait, hold on. I'm gonna take a drink. Give me 2 seconds. Nope. Alright, we're good. I'll take another drink. It's tied up, get ready. It's 4-4, we got 23 seconds. It's not over. I said, it's 5. Look at the score. Look at the time. Look at the score. You got 10 seconds. Grab the pot. Grab the pot. It's tied. Grab the pot.
You don't get time.
That's what's with a buzzer beater. That was a buzzer beater. That was a buzzer beater. It didn't count. We'll call that a tie. But I think I made the buzzer beater.
So, yeah, mate. Back to the last one.
Hey?
Back for the last call if you guys still got it.
Oh, yeah. Well, you boys were in earlier.
Yeah, that's our guy coming too. He's a little behind, but yeah, he's coming in. Tequila cran.
Vodka cranberries.
You mix it up.
Tequila cranberries.
Right on.
Probably on our last round. Come in.
Right on.